G'day, it's Craig here. I'd like to introduce our latest 8 amp portable, small little smart charger. How good is this? Okay, this is our next generation 8 amp charger. We've been selling these things for years and this is the latest updated version and it's such an awesome little unit and we'll go through some of the special features now. Okay, so what we've got here is our 9-stage 8 amp battery charger. Now it's good for your gel, your normal and your AGM style batteries, so it's pretty much you got you covered for everything. Now, this will come in really handy. We have a slow charge feature on this. So the beauty of that is if you've got a small battery in something like a ride-on lawnmower, a jet ski, your motorbike, you know, no one really likes riding their bikes or their jet skis in winter a lot of the time. So the beauty is you can put this charger on 24/7 and it'll maintain your battery and put a nice 2 amp charger in there and it won't cook your battery. That's a great little important feature, and next time you're gonna go for a ride or get out in the water, it's ready to go. We've also got a power supply mode put into this, which is really unheard of in a lot of battery chargers. So the beauty about that is if you're going to change your battery on a late model car and you've done it and you go to start it up, all of a sudden you've lost all your radio presets. You know, good thing is you can connect this up and it'll take care of you powering up your battery cables while you're putting in your new battery, fire it all up and you've got all your stations there. I mean, nothing more annoying than having to do that. Now, what else makes it nice and handy is our awesome KickAss Anderson plug set up on there. So any of you who've got one of our battery boxes or anything like that, you can plug that straight into the input output and that'll take care of all your charging. For those of you who don't, we do have your alligator clamp set up with an Anderson plug on there, and don't be afraid. Another great thing, we have a Polarity protection on this, so if you accidentally get them the wrong way, it's not going to hurt your charger. Okay, great thing about our 9-stage 8 amp battery charger, it's all fully automatic, it'll do it all itself. You just connect it up, you don't have to worry about a thing. Unlike the old days with the old chargers that can cook your batteries, you can leave this on 24/7 and you don't have to worry about it, it'll do your job for you. I mean, an overlooked thing is having a good 240 volt charger for your 12 volt system. We've all got our solar panels and our DC-DC chargers, but a lot of people overlook a good 240 volt charger, especially to maintain your batteries in the off season. You know, your camper trailers, your dual batteries in your 4-wheel drive that you might not use a lot. It doesn't hurt to give them a maintenance charge every now and then with a 240 volt charger. So I can't stress enough how great this is of an addition to your 12 volt setup. Like I said before, your jet skis, your motorbikes, your lawnmowers, everything you don't use a lot, use that little slow feature and you can't go wrong. It'll look after and maintain your batteries. I mean, the price you pay for batteries compared to the small price you'll pay for a 240 volt charger like this that will fully maintain your batteries for years to come, it's a great idea and it's a great investment. So do yourself a favour, get on the website, have a browse around and grab one today. Cheers.